What if one $10 tool from Amazon could instantly cut down on half the chaos in your classroom? Sounds too good to be true, right? Today I'm sharing some creative and interesting classroom management tools teachers are loving, and how they can help you run a calmer, smoother class. And make sure to stick around until the end, because my favorite tool isn't even on Amazon. It's something I created myself, and I think you'll love it. Managing student behavior doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right tools, you can save time, reduce stress, and help students stay focused. In this video, we'll explore 4 categories of must-have classroom tools plus a bonus tip at the end. These are creative, practical, and fun ways to make classroom management smoother for both you and your students. Before diving into the actual tools, let's set the stage with some simple do's and don'ts that every teacher should keep in mind. Check mark. Do establish clear rules and expectations from day one. Do use positive reinforcement to celebrate good behavior. Do get to know your students. A personal touch goes a long way. Do keep things interactive and fun to boost engagement. Don't ignore small disruptions. They grow quickly. Don't use humiliating punishments or negative language. Don't play favorites. Students notice. And don't forget your own self-care. A calm teacher sets the tone for a calm classroom. Tool number 1, attention grabbers that save your voice. Ever feel like you're shouting over your students to get their attention? That's exhausting. Instead, try tools like a wireless doorbell or a classroom chime. One gentle sound instantly signals students to pause. It's consistent and non-disruptive. Another option is mini flip chart signs. Students can silently show "I need help" or "I'm finished" without interrupting class. This keeps communication smooth and helps you stay in control without raising your voice. Tool number 2, keep students focused and on task. One of the biggest challenges is pacing. Some students finish quickly while others take much longer. A visual timer or silent glow timer is a lifesaver. Students see exactly how much time is left, which keeps them moving at a steady pace and builds independence. And for those wiggly kids, try textured sensory strips. They're small, discreet, and give students a tactile way to self-regulate, helping them stay engaged without distracting others. Tool number 3, organize chaos during movement and routines. Transitions often feel like herding cats, but a few tools make a huge difference. Carpet marker spots show students exactly where to sit or stand. Color-coded hall passes keep movement structured and responsible. And flip chart routine signs reduce confusion because students instantly know what to do without you repeating directions. Predictable systems equals calmer transitions. Tool number 4, motivate with positive reinforcement. Even with good systems, students need motivation. Tools like punch cards, reward jars, and teacher marking stamps are powerful and fun. For example, I use a positive behavior jar with magnetic candies. When students earn candies, we add them in. And when it fills up, the class gets a reward. Kids get so excited and we sneak in some math practice by skip counting the candies. Punch cards are another favorite. Whether it's for homework, good behavior, or participation, kids love seeing their progress build up punch by punch. My all-time favorite classroom management tool isn't on Amazon. It's my very own student feedback notes. These are simple, personalized notes I write to students with quick encouragements like, "I noticed your hard work today," or "Great job helping your partner." It might take just a few seconds, but the impact is huge. Students feel seen, valued, and motivated to keep giving their best. Strong relationships are really the secret weapon to classroom management. If you could pick just one Amazon tool to make your classroom life easier, which one would it be? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. So, whether it's timers to keep students on task, attention grabbers to save your voice, or reward systems to keep students motivated, the right tools make classroom management so much easier. If this video gave you new ideas, give it a like and subscribe for more practical teacher tips. And don't miss my next video on building classroom community fast. Because when students feel connected, management becomes 10 times easier.